How to change passcode on Monese I DOUBLE Z. Now this video is going to be a complete step-by-step tutorial. So if you follow along by the end of this video you will be able to change your passcode on Monese I DOUBLE Z. So to do this you want to load up the Monese app and you will be taken to a screen that looks like this. From here tap on the three lines in the top right corner. And this is going to open up this menu, and from this menu you want to tap on Settings, and from Settings click on Privacy and Security. Once this loads up you can see the very top option is Change Passcode. So if we click into this it asks you to enter in the current passcode, and once you have done that it asks you to enter in a new passcode. So if we enter that in, it then asks you to confirm this one more time, your new passcode, and then once you have done that your passcode will be changed, and that is how you can change your passcode on Monese. Monese helpline number. Thanks for watching.